Hello and welcome to the Desire to Learn Getting Started tutorial. This is meant to help get a course started and off the ground in the Desire to Learn management system. Once in the course, click on Class List in the top banner row. After clicking on Class List in the top banner row, you should see this screen in front of you. Next thing that you will want to do is click on the Add Participants button, and a drop-down menu will show an Add Existing Users button. You want to go ahead and click on that for the next step. After clicking the Add Existing Users button, this screen will appear. Here you can define the role of the person you're looking for, such as instructor or student in this case, and search by different categories. When the student is found, you simply click the checkbox next to their name and hit Enroll Selected Users at the bottom of the screen. After you're done enrolling students for the course, you can click on the Course Administration tab on the top toolbar on the screen. This will take you to the screen you see in front of you. Next, you want to hit Course Offering Information directly below the site setup title on the page. Once you do that, you will see the screen in front of you, and down at the bottom where it says Active, you just check the box next to Courses Active and submit your changes in order to make the class live. And that's it. You are ready to go and your course is started in Desire to Learn.